What's going on, guys? Shout out to Bobby He asked a good question. He said, what kind of change was it like going into this field for at-home life, and how did you adapt? Good question, guys. Welcome back to the channel. T Wells here, and today I'm gonna give you guys 5 ways or 5 things you can do to adapt to the operation schedule, guys, for the home life. All right, we'll get right into it, guys. 5 things. Number 1, you need to find out what works best for you. Okay, as far as for yourself, what you feel comfortable doing. Number 2, you need to schedule time for yourself and for your loved ones. Number 3, you need to create a relaxing environment at your house or your apartment. Number 4, you need to meal prep your food. And number 5, guys, you need to travel. All right, so let's get into the first thing. Find out what works for you. Guys, this is very important. If you are a morning person, like myself, I'm a morning person. I do better in the morning while the sun's up, while the day is going on. So on night shift, when I'm coming off of night shift, I'm not my best until the middle of the day. So around 11, 12 the next morning. So any time before that, I don't need to be going out, hey, let's go to this breakfast event, or we gotta do something at 8 o'clock. I just got off work at 5. Things like that, I'm not gonna be in the best of moods, okay? Now, let's just say you're the opposite. Say you're a night person. You know, you really like staying up late at night, you can do it. Then it'll be the opposite for you. You know, you don't wanna do things during the middle of the day. You know, you don't feel your best during the middle of the day, kind of like in the evening time, kind of. All right. So once you establish that, whether you're better in the morning or better during the day, better at night, then you can go forward with the next 4. All right. Number 2, scheduling time for yourself and for your loved ones. Guys, having a schedule is going to be very important. If you notice in my shift operator schedule for the 2-2-3 schedule, that golden small calendar, I have that calendar, guys, is in the bedroom. I suggest all of you get a calendar, dry erase, put it in your bedroom, guys. That way you can see and write in things days in advance, okay? Your schedule's the days are gonna run by quickly working this job. We work 12 hours, guys. You talking sun up, sundown, or sundown to sun up. So days are steady rolling, day after day after day after day. Before you know it, a whole month is gone. So you need to write things down, schedule time for yourself. Hey, figure out what you like to do. Me, I like to work out. Guys, I like fitness, I like exercise. I try to train at minimum 4 days a week. So I have it on the calendar. Hey, look, I'm going to the gym Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right. I know, my wife know, anybody who sees the schedule gonna know, okay, well, hey, T Wells gonna be in the gym these 4 days at least. Okay. Also, too, you gotta schedule time for your loved ones, guys. If you're living with someone, especially if you have a spouse, then make sure you write in days for them, or get them to write their days in. Like, hey, you know, Wednesday I want to go to this. I want to go see this new movie Wednesday night. I know you're off work, and I can see your schedule. Let's go on Wednesday because you're off. Okay, cool. We can do that. You know, or let's say it's a day I have to work. Saturday night, I gotta go to work Saturday morning. Hey, I would like to go to dinner Saturday night. Okay, cool. Look, we can go to dinner. It's gonna be, I can give you an hour of my time, at least 8 to 9, and then we'll be back home no later than 10:30 because I gotta get up in the morning. There you go. All that's scheduled out. I know starting Monday, hey, Saturday I'm going out to eat. I should be back at the house no later than 10:30. Got enough time to go to sleep and get back to work Sunday morning and still function, okay? All right, number 3, a relaxing environment. Guys, your home or apartment needs to be very relaxing. You're working long hours. You don't want to pretty much leave chaos to walk into more chaos, okay? In operations, you don't know what kind of day you're gonna have. Plus, it's loud where we work, okay? It's very, very loud. Very loud, it's hot. You got, furnaces going, pumps going, you got all kind of stuff going constantly. So when you get home, you want a nice, relaxing environment. You know, if you live somewhere hot like me, you know, Texas, they may have that AC on. You know, have it nice and cool. You come in, house clean. All right, and then you can start relaxing. Take your shoes off. You know, chill. If you're somewhere cold, have the opposite. Man, have it nice and warm, toasty. Get out that cold weather because we work outside, and you know, come in, relax. You need your environment very relaxing, guys. I suggest you get some blackout curtains for your room. If you don't have blackout curtains, definitely get you a white noise maker that will help you sleep and get to the deep sleep very quickly. So get your white noise maker, get you some blackout curtains, get you some nice sheets. Guys, invest in a nice bed, okay? That's one thing I got from my cousin, man. His bed, I think his bed probably cost like maybe $10,000, but it's worth every penny, guys. I spent a lot of money on the bed I'm on now, and it's worth it. It's worth it. When you get off work, especially working a shutdown, 14 days in a row, man, you come home, you want to sleep in something real comfortable. So whenever you guys get into operations, if you can, I would say give yourself a year, you know, at least get one qualification, get you a little money, get you a bonus or something. You need to get you a good bed. At least, I say spend over $5,000, at least. That's gonna get you a really, really nice bed, okay? And very relaxing, it's part of a relaxing environment, all right? All right, now go to number 4, meal prepping. Guys, in order to save time or to have more time at home, you need to meal prep. Pick a day. If you got a day set or a night set, 3 or 4 nights in a row, 3 or 4 days in a row, pick your off day before, cook you up some meals, at least a lunch and a dinner, and then get you some snacks, get you some fruit, and that way you have food prepped out for your set at work. This is gonna save you so much time. When you get home, you just get home, grab your dinner, heat it up, eat it, or grab your snack, you good to go. You know, and you don't have to spend time cooking and getting the kitchen back clean, doing that every night or every morning if you're on night shift, okay? You want to do that at least once a week, guys. That's what I do. That's how I save time. That's how I make more time for myself. Also, I'm gonna make a video and show you guys exactly what I take to work and show you the snacks and stuff, that my lunch, my dinner that I take to work with me, and give you a visual of my meal prep that I do usually, okay? All right, last but not least, guys, traveling. Guys, you have got to change your environment. This is gonna help a lot of things. Mentally, it's gonna reset you, okay? So, like living here in Texas, Houston specifically, there are refineries, chemical plants everywhere. So you drive down the road, you're gonna see pipes, pipelines, all the shit that remind you of work, okay? Now, when you get your week off, and it's something that I like to do, at least once or twice a year, guys, get out of your state, okay? Preferably, you want to get out of the country if you can. But at least get out of your state, get out of the state that you're in. I know, you know, the Texans here love Texas. I get it. You know, I'm here. But I got to get out this state at least once a year. More likely twice a year, I get the hell out of Texas so I can see something different, okay? So guys, when you travel, this is going to help you mentally, help you kind of, it's going to get your mind off of the grind for a little bit. Also, what it's going to do is it's going to kind of, when you're out in these nice places, let's hypothetically say, man, you take your week off and out of the 7 days, 40 days, you go to Florida. You go to the beaches. Man, you're sitting back, you're on the beach, you got a drink in your hand, and you're like, all right, you know what? Hearing that alarm clock go off at 4 a.m., 3 a.m., man, it was all worth it. You know, I'm sitting back, I got the beach, man, it's looking nice weather. You know, I got me some money in my pocket. Everybody happy, everybody good. Kids good, spouse good, life's good, you know? And if you're single, it's even better. Man, if you're single, you do the same thing. Hey, man, I'm on the beach. I just finished grinding for a whole month. Got some honeys out here, you know, walking around. Hey, I got me some money in my pocket. Same thing. Everything's good. Got you to travel, get out of the environment of work. Okay. The way when you go back, you kind of recharge, man. You're ready to get back to the grind. After you spent all them hundreds and thousands of dollars, you know, on vacation, you come back like, all right, let's go. Let's get back to the ground. Let's get back to it. All right, guys. Well, those are my 5 tips on adapting to the operation schedule. That's what I do. Hopefully, you guys do the same. Also, guys, I have a book dropping on October 1st on process operations, as well as a course coming out taking everybody from A to Z, everything in between, all the ins and outs of the job, how to pass the interview, how to study, the whole 9. So be on the lookout for that come October 1st. All right, guys, if you got any questions, any comments, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get with you guys in the next one. Peace.